You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in British English, and we'll see with American English too. The top word is pronounced in the UK British English pronunciation odor. Odor. That's a bad smell, an odor. Now, the bottom word is pronounced an order. 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 So, odor is the top word versus order. Can you hear? The first syllable is different. Odor, order. Now, in American English, the pronunciations are as top word an odor. Odor, again, it's an O sound, versus an order, order. Odor versus order. Can you hear the difference? That's American English, sorry. So, let's summarize British English pronunciations. Top word is odor versus order. American English, odor versus order. Can you hear the differences? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.